Hey everyone, what is up? We are here at Magic Kingdom at the Walt Disney World Resort. It's been a little while because obviously summer vacation and blockout dates and all that crazy stuff. But we're here for one specific reason, and that is to check out all the new Tron construction and whatnot. There's a lot to see and check out, so let's go ahead and head into the park. But before we do that, real quick guys, if you hadn't seen the video that we just posted, we checked out all the 50th anniversary updates to the park, decorations, merch, all that stuff, and some of the Halloween stuff that's going up right now. That was a really fun video, so go check that out. It's linked right here. But yeah, let's head into the park now. 15 years into giving Tron construction updates, we finally have some big progress on the Tron construction coaster. No one's out on site right now because the weather is pretty bad, but you can see just how much progress has been done to the outdoor canopy. Let's get a closer look now. So as you can see, all the brown supports that were up during the construction of the canopy, they are all officially removed. And a lot of the LED lighting systems that will be lighting up this whole canopy have also been installed. That's what they're currently working on now. That's also one of the reasons why this blue mesh tarp is up. It's kind of help keep things out of the construction site, but also, you know, a placeholder for where the final panels will be. While we're out here by Barnstormer though, let's take a look at some of the track pieces for the Walt Disney Railroad. As you can see, not much has happened here. These pieces have just been sitting here for quite some time, just collecting dust. From everything I've heard, the railroad progress is on hold right now until more Tron progress has taken place. There's a rumor out there that one of the supports for Tron had to be placed within the pathway of the railroad. So now they're having to figure out how to divert the railroad or move one of the structural supports of the Tron coaster. I don't know the validity of that rumor, but it is a rumor that some of the more prominent sources have been talking about. So take that with a little bit of grain of salt. I don't know if that's necessarily what's happening, but it does seem to be true that at least the railroad is on pause until Tron moves a little bit forward in construction. People mover wait is 20 minutes, but not only is it spilling out into the main plaza, but it's filled up the entire cattle pin queue line and everything. This is wild. Here we go. This is the first time I've been on the people mover escalator moving walkway thing in a long time. I'm very excited. They're boarding. Let's take a tour of Tomorrowland, shall we? Here we are.
Enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow. You never know who you might see.
If you want to see some more updates on the 50th anniversary, check out our last vlog.
At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. Ascend to otherworldly heights.
And what would a Tron construction update be without a ride on the Tomorrowland Speedway? Let's get going! Woo! Oh, there's already a traffic jam though, so we gotta hold on. This is always a terrible time trying to do this one-handed, but we're going, oh my gosh, we're going for it. We're speeding along now, 90 miles an hour down the speedway. Hello, Tomorrowland Speedway. Oh my gosh, the steering is so unresponsive on this cart. I might as well just drive without even steering. Look, Ma, no hands. No hands. Oh. They brake checked me. They keep brake checking me. Let's stop with the brake checks. Florida drivers, am I right? Anyways, the real reason why we're here, Tron. Or the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of Tron, at least. Looking pretty fine. Woo! Circling around, we got some even better views. We got a great view under the canopy that they're building right now. Again, main construction right now is going on with the LED lighting, at least for the canopy section. It's looking good. Looking good indeed. You know, the older the Speedway gets, or maybe the older I get, the Speedway is always just a little bit more and more disappointing because it's such an iconic attraction, historic. But I don't know, it's just, it keeps on like the maintenance of the ride and the carts, like the go-karts, just isn't all that great. So it just keeps getting a little less and less fun, I suppose. I don't know. But hey, it at least gives us some fun looks at the backside of the Tron coaster, so that's always fun, that's always a good time. So for these updates, I enjoy waiting in line and riding the Tomorrowland Speedway. But yeah, I just wish that they kept them up a little bit more than they do. All right, everyone, that's going to be it for the Tron construction update today. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to be notified when we post more videos just like this one. And hey, if you really like the video, go ahead and toss it a like. It helps more people just like you find the videos that you enjoy to watch as well. So share the parks with people, come on. But anyways, that's going to be all for me. So for Theme Park Center, my name's Sean. Thanks for watching, and remember, the adventure lives on. Peace.